GrowthCLUB's really good because even though one-to-one with Martin is great, it's also really good because it's really easy to get into the mindset of, oh, I'm the only one that's experiencing these difficulties, or I'm the only one that's had this difficulty. Whereas sitting in a room with people and talking through that, you start to realise that actually then people have had that experience as well, or they're going through that experience, so you can maybe try and help each other out and pass on that advice.
Another thing, or the benefit of having a business coach, because there are other clients, there are other businesses that have maybe had similar issues or ideas or ways they want to go. So it's a great opportunity to share experiences and ideas.
I'm sitting at a table with 3 other people who are in completely different walks of life, and we're all here really for the same reasons, the same experiences, and it's really reaffirming that we all have the same challenges and we're addressing them in much the same way.
I think the best part is that you get to talk to other people. You're all supportive of each other, and yeah, you build other relationships as well. So there's a lot of interaction with other people. It's just a nice sort of environment and a safe environment to talk about things.
I think it's good to bounce off people, other business people. They may be in a different business to you. The size of their business may be different to yours, but it's good to bounce off each other's knowledge and experiences.
It's actually really nice meeting other business owners and then going through the same kind of things, understanding that they've got the same worries, the same concerns. We've all been at that stage where we've been really stressed and considered just jacking it all in. Learning about other people's resilience as well is quite incredible.
Sitting next to other individuals from a similar position and learning from their successes and their mistakes. So it's it definitely helps.
But it's a mindset thing. We're in the start of the second quarter now, and last year my mindset would have been, okay, we want to achieve a certain turnover level, whereas this is, well, how do you get to that certain turnover level? And it really focuses the mind for the next 90 days.
Get along, make time in your diary, because you will get something out of it for sure. Whether it might be one little nugget of information, but that one little nugget might just trigger 101 things in your business. So it's definitely a worthwhile 4 or 5 hours out of the office.